How's it going, everyone? I'm here and I'm gonna tell you if you can please, guys, join my server. And I need some help. Like I said in one video, I need help for my server to build it, or even you can donate. So the best thing will help is donate and build. If you wanna come to my server, I'll give you the address, the port, and that's why I'm making this video right now. And please, guys, in the comments, like, I actually see you guys view my videos but don't say anything, so please say something like hi, or first comment, or whatever you want to say, or you can say, yeah, I'm gonna help you, dude, or whatever you want to say. So here's the address, so I'm gonna give it to you as long as this thing loads, because sometimes it takes a little bit of time. So here's the address. It's C49, as you can see. That's the address. Wait, I'm not done. And this goes together. Yeah, and then that's the address. Here's the port. The IP, I mean. It's 49811. So that's basically it to join my server. As you can see, please, guys, join, or at least say something in the comments, because I see you guys view my videos but don't say anything. I'm sorry, like my voice, I don't know if you can hear it. If you can, tune on your volume. Maybe in the future, I don't know if there's something I can fix my voice. I don't know. Because, yeah, maybe that's why you guys don't subscribe or like or anything. I just want to see people to, if you guys listen to me, just say hi or first comment. I don't care. Whatever. So, yeah, that's my server. If you want to help me build it on it, when you join, you will see this. Some people were helping me last time. And yeah, please help me build my server. That'll be great if you do. If you don't, then thanks for at least watching this video. And that's basically what I just wanted to say. That's why I'm making this short video. If you want me to play in servers, Minecraft PE, or if you want me to record you and then you want to play with me on server, just tell me in the comments. Hey, can you join this server and we can play together? Maybe that's what you can say. My name is, but if you actually see me, guys, I'm the one who invented this name. My name will be Minewolf109. If you see me on server, you can say, Minewolf, can you please record or something? I will tell you the answer. And that's all, guys, for today. Please see you in the next video, and goodbye.